Hey guys, today we'll be learning how to make animation on Scratch. My name is Ralph, a tech guru. I live in Katy, Texas, and I'm 9 years old. So this is currently the second coding class, and I'll be teaching you how to make animation on Scratch. So let's get started making animation on Scratch. What is animation? So animation is the process of turning still images into moving images. Okay. Now let's create a project. I already have a project in here. So I'm going to click see inside. So it's currently just going to open my project. Okay. Okay. So now I want to do some animation. Okay. I want to do this. Moving cat A to cat B, back to cat A. That's actually pretty easy. We need a forever function, which is in the controls, a look, a next block, which is in the looks, and a green flag plate. But this is not Sonic, this is Scratch. We need something to make it slower. So we need to go to controls and wait 1 second. But Danny's going to be slow as a slug. So that means we need to make it faster. Let's try something under 1. Do you know anything under 1? 0 point, a number. Let's try 10. But that's typically the same thing as 0.1. Anything that you add 0 at the back, it won't be any different. Yeah, so I'll just put 0.1. See? It works. I knew it. I knew it'd work. So I don't want these ugly cat sprites anymore. I want something better, fascinating, brilliant. So I'll just go to choose a costume. And there's Abby A, Abby B, Abby C, and Abby D. Let's try this. I'll try Abby A. And now I need to upload Abby B. I just need to wait for this. And I need to delete this stupid cat sprite. Abby B. Come on. Now I need to drag her over here. Now try also Abby. Abby C, all the Abbies. And I need to make her slower. Yeah. Okay. I'll try one more Abby D. And I need to make her slower so actually looks real. So I'll do 0.5. Let's try it. Told ya. But I don't really want Link hat sprites. What should we do? I have an idea. We could upload animations from Google. Okay, so let's go and find some fascinating, brilliant, awesome animations on Google. Look at all these animations, but just be careful. Some might say GIF, but they're actually joking, like this one. It says GIF, but if you download it, it will say web PFO, and Scratch does not support that. Scratch doesn't like it. It only allows something like this. So we need to we need to upload it. But it's not pictures, it's a GIF file. Well, when a Scratch uploads it, Scratch will turn the GIF file into images. That's how the animation works. So let me open that. See this? I need to open and watch this. Here is my sprites. Sprites are brilliant. But this is too slow. I want it faster. So now I want to create my own sprites, don't you? So now I just need to clear up this. So I need to delete all of these costumes, but that'll take forever. It's at 18, so I'll just hurry. Backspace. Why is this not working? I'll try this trash can. How is it a costume? That is weird. I'll just name it one and I'll delete that Among Us. Now let's make our own sprites. Oh, so we need a square block. A square. We could actually do anything we want. I'll just put it, and I'll make him have some eyes. And he'll have another eye inside him. But first, I'll just duplicate it. Duplicate this, duplicate, copy, and paste. Look at my eyes. Pile of right. Yeah. And I'll name him Guy. But before I do that, I need to make him a mouth. I name him Guy. He's my guy. Yeah, I call him Guy. Because he's a guy, of course. Now I want to make him smaller. I want an animation of him getting smaller, and smaller until he's super small. Or not as small as you're thinking, but yeah, small. Okay, so that means we need to duplicate it. Can anybody tell me how I could duplicate it? Well, it's simple. You tap on it, but if you tap on it, it won't show anything. So you have to double tap on it. And if you double tap on it, it doesn't show anything. You need to tap it with your 2 fingers. That's the key. See? Duplicate. Click it. Guy 2. Yeah, he's my guy 2. I call him guy 2. Now I just want to make him smaller. But before I do that, I need to group him together. Because if I don't group him, the square is just going to be smaller, but his eyes and mouth is going to remain the same size. We don't want his eyes to be popping out of his head, do we? No, no, no. We don't want that. So I'll group this. Now what's the magic? See? Told ya. Now we need to duplicate this guy, and this will be guy 3. I make sure I group him because it won't group since we duplicated it. Now I'll make him as small as I can. I'll make him as small. This might take a while, so I'll try to be quick. Okay. Guy 5. 8. Na 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 na. I'll do one more little guy. Na 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 na. Perfect. Let's see this in action. Look at this. Look how he's getting smaller and smaller until you can't even see him. Okay. So, what if I add a pig? I want to add a pig. I'm going to add a pig real quick. Or, yeah, a U. I'll add this U, but I don't really want to just show all the sudden. Because if you click it, what's this? No, 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 no. We don't want the U to show just yet. I want it to show when I click the space button. So we need to do something, make a sprite. I mean a variable, which will keep track of where it is. So I'll call it costume. Right there. And we want it to be for all of the sprites. We don't want to be greedy, do we? We want to share it. If we create any more sprites, the sprites could also use it. Because sharing is caring, right? Okay. I don't really want this next block. So I need to throw this and put it away. Now I just need another look. Okay. And I need variable costume. And I'll do slider. And I'll do range all the way to 1, 2, 6. That's how many square blocks we have, right? Yeah, I'm correct. Okay, let's try this. Notice it doesn't work because we didn't click the green flag, duh. See, yeah, it doesn't show that to you anymore. Now we just need, when space is clicked, it will go to, block U. Let's try this. See? But if you let go, it will go back to costume 1. Yeah, that's okay. But I don't really want to be like going this around, so I'll just add my secret code, and it's in the controls. It's called if. So I need to put 2 of them. I need 2 because I want to control them with the left and right arrow. So I need to do a sensing block. The sensing block is right over here. So when I need to actually stop this, when left block is pressed, it will change costume by -1. If costume, but we also need one more for, we need to duplicate this, but I'll tell you why later. Okay, now we just need to duplicate this, stay over here, and +1, and right. Let's try this. See, it's going over the line. It's not really supposed to do that. We don't want it to do that. We want it to stay in order. Or it'll just go and do something crazy that we don't want it to do. So for now, we'll hide the slider. Or hide it the whole. Okay. Holy. So it's going to you. So we need something to fix that if it goes out of the line. So we need, that's why we need to duplicate this. And if I need to remove these ones too. If I need an operator. If variable costume is greater than 6, it will set costume to 6. No, not change, set. Silly me. 6. And I'll remove the change block and do. I need to duplicate this. Actually, I don't. Let's try this over here. And put the costume block right over here. And we'll do, if it's less than 1, set it to 1. So let's try that. Wait a sec. What is going on? See? Now that left arrow makes it bigger and the right arrow makes it smaller. Let me remove this code. Oh, well, it still works, doesn't it? So I guess this is the end of the road for this video. So guys, see you guys later. Bye.